In this video, we will show you how to update your marine device. A Windows computer and an SD card are required. Insert your SD card. First, go to the Garmin website and find the device you want to update. Let's use GPS Map 585 Plus as the example. Select Update. I agree and start the download. Download. After the download is completed, open the file. OK. Setup. An incomplete display problem might show. Use your keyboard to continue the process. Press the Enter key to go to the next page. Choose your SD card and press Find Drive. Then press the Enter key. The update file is in your SD card. Press the Enter key to finish, and then eject your SD card. Insert your SD card. The menu will show automatically. Select Update Software. After the device restarts automatically, the update is done. All Garmin marine devices with SD slots share the same update process. Thank you for watching.